Hello and welcome to another update video about Enjin Coin. Enjin Coin is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. It has done really well since I started to cover it on this channel, and we remain, in my view, in an uptrend. We're currently retracing quite a bit, but we are currently coming down to a key Fibonacci retracement level at 350, and we're finding a first positive reaction to that Fibonacci retracement level. So we're going to take a look at that. First thing, we can see that we are still above the 20-day moving average, which is that line in teal here coming up there. This level will provide support going forward and is sitting at 343 at the moment. Now the current price is at 358, so we are a little bit above this 20-day moving average. Also, what you can see is that we have come down from the top at 484 all the way down here to a support level at 328. We then come up again, and we're currently finding support again, making a first higher high again, or a higher low, higher low and higher high here at 350. So that's where we found support. I think as long as we find support here going forward, don't break below it, this could be the beginning of a new move up. We're currently the key tipping point here at this 350 level. That is one of the, or actually the last key Fibonacci retracement level here in this uptrend. It's the 0.786 Fib level, and we've just come down to that. So we're only pretty much 7 cents away from that Fib level, and we had a first positive reaction. As you can see, if we go to the 1 hour chart, you can see that came down, found support, first green candle. Now from here we now need to build and go up higher, go through the next Fib level at 378, and then you've got resistance here at 380. Let's call it 388, because this is an area where we had a lot of resistance before. There you go, here. There was a lot of area trading here in this area, and also here we had resistance before. I think that's the level we need to keep in mind here at around 388, and then above that we've got the next Fib level actually at $4, which is also a psychological level. Above that we've got 420, 448, and then the all-time high at 485. So these are the key levels we need to get beyond now. So there are a lot of levels to go through, but we remain strong in my view in that overall retracement. Yes, we have retraced quite a bit, but overall we've still stayed above this low, this significant low, where we started the Fibonacci retracement chart here, and also we've remained above all of these significant lows, overall making higher lows here. And we can even draw an ascending trend line here that I think we could even come down to once more. You know, if we lose the 350 level, if we lose the 20-day moving average, and if we find support here at 335, this would still be bullish in my view. We would still be in an uptrend. We would still stay above those previous lows here and make higher lows going forward. These at the moment, in my view, are good prices to buy. You know, no financial advice, but that is what I am doing, what I'm thinking, because we are still again quite far away now from the all-time high here at 485. We are also still below, or again below, the previous all-time high, which we had back here. And if I zoom out a little bit, there's the previous all-time high. I think it was here on the Coinbase chart, we can't see it. I think it was just above $4. I think $4.03. So we are still below that, and therefore have now scope to go up again. And to be honest, Enjin Coin, from experience here, it has been really volatile. So these ups and downs are nothing that should worry you. In my view, I mean, for me, it's nothing to worry. They are just shaking people out. It's a very volatile cryptocurrency. I don't really know why, but it is very volatile, and therefore be careful with leverage trading. I don't do that anyway, and I would be a bit careful with just being shaken out of the market. So don't be surprised when you get into Enjin Coin and it's just moving around a lot. At least it's a bit exciting here. Now what we can see here on the weekly, that's what I want to show you, that we are still here in the bullish range on the RSI, even though we dropped quite a bit, but that's good. We are in the bullish range, but also at the same time have scope to move to the upside. That's great for a cryptocurrency that's related to NFTs, because a lot of them are already overbought on the weekly. This one here is not. Also on the daily, we're not overbought anymore. We actually had here something like a bearish divergence, making high highs on the price, lower highs on the RSI. Now we did of course come down since then, which is great, which basically shows that we had to have that correction. We had a bearish divergence making higher highs, and now we did correct that down. The MACD actually indicates that we could come down a little bit lower. We had a bearish cross here on the daily, and that also confirms actually that we could, if we don't find support here at 350, we could actually come down to this ascending trend line again. Now if we really lose support of that ascending trend line, I think the last area of resort for the bulls would be here, this level at 313. That's where the this uptrend started. But then I think that is really where we shouldn't really fall below. I think then we would have a larger correction. Then we still have the 50-day moving average down here at 277, but we actually, I think, need to stay above one of these three key levels that I just told you. So either here at 350, or here the so at the 350 level is that Fibonacci retracement level, or just below that the 20-day moving average at 344, and below that above this ascending trend line at 334. That's what I'm looking for. I think then that can set us up for further continuation to new all-time highs again. Overall, I remain bullish on Enjin Coin. I think they will do really well. I can imagine they could even do really well, or Enjin could really do really well in a bear market, because NFTs, I think, are going to continue to boom. I think gaming, everything that is sort of Enjin Coin related to as well, is continuing to boom and is only getting started. So I can see Enjin Coin prices, I mean, there's no reason why this couldn't be maybe 2022 in the $10 range. That's my take on Enjin Coin at the moment. Hope you liked Enjin Coin, the Enjin Coin update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.